Hello everyone, my name is Morgan and I'm going to talk about digital technology for ELL assessments. By the year 2025, it's predicted that 1 in 4 students attending public schools in the United States will be an English language learner. With such rapid growth and diversity of our country, schools are feeling more challenged than ever to prepare their students for college and success in life. Many of the current assessments are not effective in that sometimes teachers don't receive the results until February. By then, results are outdated and not of much use. Across the country, school districts are responding to the pressure to lessen the performance gap and are implementing more technology to support students' learning needs, but also to help teachers better assess their students. Pearson has developed a tablet-based assessment tool to support development of K-12 students' English language proficiency. TEL, which is Test of English Language Learning, uses technology that has been researched and validated for more than a decade by Pearson. The assessment tests foundational skills for reading, writing, listening, and speaking, and 7 sub-skills: pronunciation, fluency, grammar, vocabulary, pre-literacy, reading rate, and comprehension. The tablet has 3 types of tests to help teachers screen, diagnose, and monitor progress. Student responses are automatically scored. No more waiting month after month for that valuable information. Teachers can look at recorded responses, allowing them to personalize instruction immediately. Ongoing progress monitoring provides constant feedback for teachers. TEL can be used by one student, pairs, small groups, large groups, and a study was done to ensure that TEL is in line with WIDA and other state standards. Parents can receive reports in English, Spanish, or Chinese. Students are introduced to TEL through guided video tutorials. They make their own way through the assessment, responding to fun, engaging items that feel more like a game than a test. They watch video clips and interact with pictures and words on the tablet, then answer questions out loud. The underlying technology for evaluating spoken responses is based on the patented Versant, which uses a speech processing system optimized for speech from native and non-native speakers. In addition to recognizing words, the system locates and evaluates relevant segments, syllables, and phrases. Statistical modeling techniques are then used to assess the spoken performance of the test taker. TEL's technology for automatically scoring written responses uses latent semantic analysis, LSA, a statistical language learning theory and computer model that measures the semantic similarity of words with accuracy close to that of a human assessor. Independent studies have been shown that the automatic scoring is as, if not more accurate than traditional assessments. Handwriting evaluation technology is also used in the writing component. So here are some examples of tasks that students have to complete for their assessment. The student is given an audio prompt that describes a situation with a question at the end that the student is expected to answer orally. You can see the microphone is active, the 3 green light audio dots which indicate that the student is speaking at the right noise level, and the timer. Copy the word is a K-2 item type only. The student is given an audio prompt saying something like, "This is the word have. Write the word have here." The student then uses their finger to write the word on the screen. If the student makes a mistake, they can tap the eraser icon. Once the eraser icon is tapped, it changes to an undo icon, which brings back the writing. So as you can see, this is really interesting technology advancements with ELL progress monitoring and assessments. Pearson has made a wonderful product with TEL. So I'd love to know if any of you have experience with using this in your own classroom. Happy teaching. Thank you.